Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another close-up swatch video. So today we are going to do the Friends and Revolution collab, and it's We Were on a Break. This palette just is me in a palette. It's all the eyeshadows that I really like. It's pastels. I'm really into pastels at the minute, so let's just swatch them and see what we think. So as always, I'm just going to go across. So the first one is called Cat, which is just like a bone colour, a cream ivory shade, which is nice for me because I like to have that in a palette. And obviously you can highlight your brow bone as well. You can't see it, but it is just there. Then we have Cheesecake, this pink one. That's pretty. They are very light, so you're probably going to need a white base with them. I've been thinking about trying some of those P. Louise ones, but Revolution have also brought their own out, so I might just get a Revolution one. Then we've got Secret Closet. I thought that was going to be a glitter. It's quite sheer. It's nice though. Secret Closet there. Then we've got Game of Cups. Do that one more time. A Game of Cups. Then we've got a really nice green called Tea Leaves. Right, so the shimmers are coming across quite stiff, but look at that green, guys. That is beautiful. Ooh, yes. Tea Leaves. And then we've got a pink shimmer called New York. So that one is New York. Right, so we're moving on to the middle row now. So we've got Sofa, another orange pastel, which is slightly deeper than the last one. Right, so you're not getting any shimmers in this middle row. This is a beautiful palette to do like a rainbow eye, I feel like, because you're getting loads of mattes and only a few shimmers. Then we've got Foosball, which is this beautiful blue here. So that one is Foosball. Then we have Closure, which is this really like mint green, I would say. So that one there is Closure. And then we've got Big Opening, which is a really nice pink. Yeah, they're all really light. Then we've got Big Break, which is, ooh, that's really pretty, that lime green. So that one is a Big Break. Then we have a nice bright orange here, it looks like, and that one's called Fireball. So that's that one. And then the third and final row, we're starting off with Chick. Now that's a shimmer. Really nice metallic blue. So that's that one. So I've got another Forever Flawless palette, and I don't remember the shades being that stiff. I'm gonna have to swatch that at some point. The next shade is called Duck. This one looks pretty. Ooh, I think that will be the first shade I use. Look at that, guys. They're very sheer, but I'm hoping they build up nice. So that one is Duck. The next one is like a yellowy orange, and it's called Bracelet. Which is that one there. Let's zoom out. Which is that one there. Right, and then we've got Love Machine. Gorgeous. And then we've got two more left. We've got Apartment, which is this really nice purple. I mean, I can't really complain. 15 eyeshadows for £6. I mean, I don't think I would have complained if I would have paid full price, to be honest. It's nice to have some more pastels in my collection. And then we've got Porsche. That's a beautiful shade as well. Right, excuse how dry it's looking like from here. I'd say from here. My arm's really dry. I say this in every swatch video. They do look a bit drier than they would probably look on the eyelids, just because I've got dry arms. And again, I need to get some good moisturiser for that. But I think that palette is absolutely stunning. Let me take you off the tripod. Right, so this is what the palette looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely adore it. And then these are the swatches. So really nice. Like I said, you can obviously see the dryness as you go up my arm, but you can basically see what the colours are. Now, some people won't like the fact that you're only getting a few shimmers, so you're only getting 1, 2, 3, 5 shimmers and then 10 mattes. I don't mind that. I mean, obviously the mattes are really good, like for doing liner and also doing a rainbow eye and then putting a pop of colour in the inner corners. I think that will look really nice as well, especially for spring and summer. I will be using this before then, probably. I don't know when though. I don't know when I'm going to get around to it. Anyway, this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.